Right, how's it going? Monday. Oh, Wednesday, but it's our Monday. Ain't done anything all week, have we? So we're all rested. None of us would get up late for work, would we? No. What? Oh. Oh. So he wasn't rested. He's been power what's naming, hasn't he? Yeah. All day yesterday. So what are we doing? Sanding out, ain't we? Oh. If we had some sand.
Just got to do my latest wipe.
My hat goes, you son of... So, like we said, the other it's all edged up. We've done all that, haven't we? Done a video. So we've got to spread this, give this a whack a day, and then start screeding. There'll be loads of people on it telling me I don't know what I'm doing. Well, just for the record before they start saying, clearly not. I mean, I've never done one of these before, have I? No. So we had rain yesterday all day, did we not? I went to bed about just before 10 and it was still raining last night, crazy. And that was, our thing said dry all day, didn't they? Yeah, it's raining the ground, it's spitting a little bit, innit? It's not that bad, is it? Here he comes. So you refreshing us?
Yeah. Yeah.
You certainly had plenty of sleep, didn't you?
Well, I don't know what happened this morning.
Well, I do, you overlay.
Where?
Try getting up to the alarm.
I heard my alarm and just thought, fuck it, I'm going back to sleep.
Oh. You know what, I should do that on a Friday, shouldn't I, when it's payday? Wake up and go, you know what, fuck it. Fuck it. Mrs. T would be like, you sending them money? Nah, fuck it. Nah, not this week. You know, I think I deserve a week off from paying them. So yeah, there you go, he's late. We're cold. I've got another cold. Have you got a cold? I've got another fucking cold. And it is cold, isn't it? Dark. So this is a pretty boring stage. What we're going to do, we're going to sand it out to about here. Screed that, and the top that comes off, we whack that, screed that, and then the stuff we pull off the top can come in here. So shoveling it all over there. If we come down to about where your left boot is, Nuss.
Yeah.
That'll be amplitude. What, plenitude? Did you say hook? Oh, I thought. We had to repair the grass over there, didn't we, Herc? Bus driver decided to be impatient when we had a delivery. Yeah, what? How much of a mess did he make? It was crazy, wasn't it? He's fucking naming. Let the peen go, look. Do you like his long shovel, long handle shovel? Saves his hat rack. Oh, illegal. Private land, use only. No, just knock us over. So, boys, shall we go, Hooks? Yeah. We'll be back. We'll do a little one when we're screeding, won't we? They can tell me I'm doing that wrong too. boys, stay warm and dry. Pug up.